Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing with you all how I make my papaya and aloe vera pre-poo. First, let's start with the aloe. Now as you can see guys, my plant has a lot of little ones and I am super excited about that. So I cut off a leaf from the plant, and as you can see, this is the struggle with having the camera in one hand while trying to do a job that requires two hands. But anywho, this is the leaf. Now what we want to do is wash it off and let it sit so that the yellowish liquid can drain off. While our aloe is getting set, let's prepare our papaya. Now guys, I chose one of the smaller ones so that I could just use the entire thing for this DIY. And as you can see, there are some soft spots and areas indicating that it is well ripe and perfect for this DIY. Cutting it open, you notice that there are only 3 seeds. This papaya is mostly seedless, but I still use the seeds because they contain enzymes that are awesome for growth. So what I do first is take off the skin. I am going to set them aside because I use it on my face, and if you all want to see how I use it on my face, you will just let me know in the comment section below. Now guys, papaya is rich in vitamins A, B and C. And it also has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It helps the scalp produce sebum, which of course nourishes, strengthens and protects the hair. And those enzymes I spoke to you about earlier in the seeds, they stimulate hair growth. So papaya conditions the hair and it helps with dry scalp and dandruff and promotes growth. Sounds awesome, right? Now when I am done peeling each of those halves, I just cut them into cubes and set them aside. Now let's get back to our aloe. Now as you can see, it really focus camera, come on. There. Now as you can see, it is pretty clear and this is what we want. So I cut off the thicker half of the leaf and set the other half aside for another DIY. Now we are all familiar with how an aloe vera leaf is peeled, so let's speed through this particular part. Pause. Let's just admire that thick, fleshy goodness of the aloe leaf. Now guys, we all know the wonderful and awesome benefits of aloe vera. It is a great conditioner, it leaves the hair super smooth and shiny, it is great for itchy and sore scalp, and it of course promotes healthy hair and promotes growth. I absolutely love aloe vera. Now once we have prepared both of those ingredients, we just put them into our blender and mix it all up till it becomes a nice smooth paste. When we're done blending, we pour it into a bowl and that's it. So this is how I make my papaya and aloe vera pre-poo. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to give this DIY a try. If you do, let me know how it works out for you and I will see you in the next one. Bye!